Okay, just to finish off your granny square, I've done a small one here. But just as you come round to the end, you just slip stitch into the third chain like you have done on previous occasions. Pull your thread through like that, and then you just take your scissors, cut the end and pull it all the way through. You can finish off, and then at this stage, I mean, you can do it stage, you can weave it in to your work. It really helps to do that as you go along. It's much better, and really weave it in well. And then when you've created your granny squares, after you've done your first one or two, they often turn out odd sizes because you're still trying to find your way with tension. So it's a good idea to perhaps do a few practice granny squares until you're into a rhythm of what your tension is, so that then each one you make is evenly, they're all sort of the same size really. When they're completed like that and you've sewn them off, I don't have one of these, but you can get those kids' foam play mats, the ones that lock together like a jigsaw puzzle. And if you just spray your work with some warm water and lay it on the mat and then just pin it out at the edges like this, just put some pins in. This is called blocking. And then, you know, you do them all the same size on that mat. You pin them out the same mat and then you leave it to dry. Your work will be much more uniform at the end, and then you can just sew them together. You can crochet them together too, but for a starting point, I think sewing together is fine.